you looking to make some extra cash without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, in today's video, I'm going to unveil an easy AI side hustle that will earn you a quick $50. Yes, you heard that right. It's fast, it's simple, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Voiceai. So they provide free real-time voice changer. And all you gotta do is just click right here to download the software. Now you'll be able to access unlimited voices on Voice Universe, free voice changer for PC. You can choose from thousands of different voices in Voice Universe. The possibilities are endless, whether you're playing Minecraft, Fortnite, Among Us, or others of your favorite video games. They have custom voice integration right in your app, and they have 15 million unique speakers to deliver the perfect voice for your character. Now, this is the best voice changer for streamers, content creators, and gamers. They have voice cloning, and you can use your recordings as soundboards. Now, AI voice changers are the evolution of online voice changers. More powerful than simple voice filters, they allow you to completely change your voice to however you want. Unlike traditional voice changers or voice modulators, they do not struggle with things like female voice conversion or gender voices, but give you complete freedom to create your own voice. Whether you want a funny voice to make jokes with friends or create a new voice to better represent your online identity. So it's easy to set up with content creation, live streaming, or gaming. And here are some supported games and apps: Among Us, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, and League of Legends. You can also try out any voice on social messaging apps including Discord, Skype, Google Meet, Zoom, and WhatsApp. Now let's look at some frequently asked questions. Now it says here, does Voiceai work with any language? Our software works with any language, although English provides better results. It's the one we offer support to. So they do offer any language, but they rather for you to use English. Now you're probably wondering, how can we make money with AI voice changer? Well, what I'm going to do is take you to this website where you'll be able to sell this service and make some good money. Okay guys, I'm on Fiverr, and I went ahead and typed in voice changer, and these freelancers popped up. So all these people are offering this type of service. So as you can see, this person right here is offering custom AI voice changer, and they're charging $25. And this one is charging $15. But check this out guys, this person right here is charging $70. So it says here, I will get a cover of a song by the artist you want. So guys, you can come here and sell this service from $15 all the way up to $70. If I was you, I would charge anywhere from $40 to $50, where it'd be a little bit higher than $15 but lower than the $70. So you'll get most of the traffic will come to you. Now guys, if you don't want to do this type of side hustle, there's a video you can check out that will show you some other side hustles that you'd probably be interested in. Peace, and get your grind on.